Welcome to another episode of Barney and Buddy, the roofing guys. Well, butter my butt and call me a biscuit. I have a very special guest today. It is the great-great-grandson of Alexander Graham Bell. Welcome.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Wow, what an honor. So, you made phones back in the day, let's see, family-wise, huh?
I wish.
Yeah?
I wouldn't be sitting here.
Wow, that's something. So your name is Bill. What do you prefer? William, Willie, Billy, Billy Bob?
Bill's fine. Thank
Bill?
you.
Okay. So, tell me a little bit about yourself. Where you work, what do you do?
So I work at People Services where
So you work with older people? That's nice. Elderly people?
everybody, all ages.
It's not a rest home or nothing like that?
No.
Oh.
People Services is a national warehouse company. We have warehouses from Michigan to Florida,
Wow.
about 10 million square feet of space. So I oversee the procurement for the company. I do all the asset purchases for tractor trailers, forklifts, work with your team on roof repairs, replacements, HVAC. So any large capital requests we have for our associates. Like right now we're working on CapEx for next year, so we look at buying and maintaining our buildings and equipment.
Yeah, that's the way Brian's talking. You guys own half the United States, property-wise.
I wish. But
So that's what a low-hanging fruit picker does, huh?
yes.
Your job title.
Yes. And that's how, why we work with you guys, because you guys do all our roofs. So
Appreciate that.
yep. So
I don't have nothing to do with it. I only see you the golf outings or occasional, hey, how you doing? So what happened at People's to make you contact West Roofing?
So I've been there 4.5 years. So part of my job and my role is I tell people I don't want to be a fireman. So depending on the commodity, I try to find the best suppliers and I maximize their strength. So when I came in, there was different vendors regionally, between Florida and Michigan, and I knew we used you guys a little bit. So I got in contact with Brian and asked what's your range, what you guys could do, and the scope of work, what you guys could do for everywhere was a good fit. So again, I kind of worked with Brian. We started quoting. We still get bids on the roofs, replacements and stuff. We put a maintenance program, which is phenomenal, which helped us. But you guys have been a great partner. Anything roofs, we call you guys.
You just want to go golfing again. That's the only reason you're saying.
I can golf anytime.
Yeah.
But you guys.
You're like Brian, huh? You're here one day at work, next day he's out golfing. So yeah, same thing.
Beautiful. Problem is we're not in the South, so
right.
we can't golf today.
They got them indoor things now too,
True.
So, what are the difficulties working with Brian? I'm not going to do the positive things all the time. What's the difficult? Does he strong arm you? He's that type of guy.
No, we strong arm him. We we got to kind of beat him down. He's plus. I know the team in here kind of abuses him a little bit. So use alcohol.
I don't. I respect my elders.
Well, that's fine, but you can still abuse him. I need him worn down so I can get better pricing. So I know the group. I don't call him first thing in the morning because I know he's fresh. So I'll call him like after lunch. I know Chris and
3 o'clock is a good time.
Oh, that's perfect because he's nodding off. So
yeah,
he's at his weakest point. So
yeah, I like you. I like you.
So that's when I call him. So, but other weak points. Not sure if Brian has any. He's a great partner and always responsive to our needs. So it's been a great partnership.
That's a bunch of BS. I know it is.
I'm
gonna let that go.
I know.
I'm gonna let that go.
We got to keep it above bar.
Right. It is a family show,
Yes.
So, why West Roofing? I mean, you got a lot of roofers out there, and the locations that you have out there, few and far apart from each other. Why West Roofing and not another roofing company? What makes us stand out the rest of everybody else?
Well, and
not Brian. I don't want to hear that because it's always Brian. No. That,
No, it's a team effort for you guys. Part of the strength I see you guys have is, like when I first started there, we're talking about roofs, and I don't like heights. I don't like getting on roofs. We have different associates. We don't have roof access and stuff. Plus, it's a safety issue. So
Right.
part of the strengths with Brian and your team, we put a PM program in the spring and fall, which help eliminate a lot of the major roof repairs, which you guys can do, your teams. Most companies are regional. Plus, I benchmark a lot of the other vendors, and I check their pricing. I don't always feel they're always being honest and upfront with you. Plus, a lot of times when you work with one vendor, a lot of them, when you interview them, it's like a job interview. How long you been there? 6 months. Okay, next. Who else is in the company has been there a while?
All right.
So you need
Yeah,
you need somebody that's going to be there. Brian's been here how long? 35 years or whatever.
Longer than that.
So
You know.
he's really old. There.
When they had dirt roads and stuff?
Yeah.
It's been a while. Hey, I want to thank you for serving in the Army. I
Thank
guess
you.
it is.
Yes.
I appreciate your
Yep.
service. That's awesome. World War I. I mean, what was that like?
It was terrible. It was brutal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. But no, on a truthful way, I appreciate your service.
Thank you. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
very commendable. I appreciate that. In a nutshell, I've basically, did I ever show you the picture? Caleb gave me this cool head ornament. It's a ram. Beautiful. Fits real nice over my desk.
Yeah.
Did I ever show you that picture?
Yeah, it's in my car right now.
Oh, yeah.
So you can keep that picture as a memory, but I appreciate it.
All right. Well, hey, I appreciate you coming in here and wasting my time and Buddy's time. You didn't say hi to Buddy.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, he'll get in trouble. Wife will kick you out of the house and him. He's trouble.
What's new?
Right. All right, thanks for wasting my time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.